Tornadoes are nature's most powerful whirlwinds, forming under specific conditions. It all starts with a thunderstorm, particularly a supercell, where warm, moist air rises and meets cooler, dry air. This clash creates instability in the atmosphere. As the warm air ascends, it begins to rotate, forming a horizontal spinning column. When this rotating column gets caught in an updraft, it tilts vertically, and voila, a tornado begins to form. The funnel extends down from the cloud, and if it touches the ground, it's officially a tornado. These swirling giants can reach speeds of over 300 miles per hour, capable of devastating everything in their path. But not all storms produce tornadoes. It takes the right conditions to create these fierce phenomena. Understanding how they form helps us stay safe and prepared when severe weather strikes.